Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix watering crops is not working in Heartopia. So as you can see here, if I water my crops, it's not registering. If I go on my memo here, and as you can see here, it's not registering. So what you need to do here, you need to go to your neighbors and water their crops. So guys, I just found my neighbors crops. I can water them, and my memo, as you can see here, basically tracker is fixed. So I will do this shortly, and yeah, my quest is done. And guys, if you cannot find neighbors with crops, then what you need to do here is to harvest all your tomatoes or other vegetables, and then what you need to do next is to just seed them again, wait for crops, and then try again with yours basically plant garden. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.